Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, you're not going to be seeing my face because we're going to be working with this palette as the name entails. But in a recent Ulta haul, I purchased the new Melissa Michelle Bling on the Glam eyeshadow palette. And one of my shadows came shattered, this one in Dude here. So we're going to try to repair that and see how it comes out. Now for this, I'm going to need a few things. So I have some tissues, I've got some toothpicks, I've got 91% alcohol, and I've got a little bit in the cap here. And then I just have something that is about the same size of the eyeshadow that is flat that we're going to use to press the shadow down. So if you're interested in seeing if this works, and then how to do it, just stay tuned. Alright guys, so there is a decent amount of the shadow left in the pan. I'm just going to kind of break that up a little bit so it'll be easier to kind of press together. And I really hope that this works because this palette is actually not in stores yet, or it's not in the one that's in my area. I ordered this offline, and sometimes, you know, this just kind of happens in transit, so. Okay, so I got that kind of broken up. And as far as it being everywhere else, I will worry about that after this one gets repaired. I'm not going to mess around with any of that loose shadow while this is still loose. Okay. They say you just pour this on. So that's just a few drops of alcohol, and this isn't supposed to alter the texture or anything like that. This is really just supposed to bring the shadow back together, and it looks like I need more to me. I didn't want to put too much though, because it's always easier to add more than less. So, alright, try a little bit more here. Doesn't that look pretty? Alright, I'm just going to kind of smooth this out. I think I have enough alcohol in there, and my cat just jumped up on the table. They do not listen. I hope she doesn't mess with this. Guilty. Get down, Gracilia. Okay, guys. So I got that kind of spread out. Now I'm going to take a tissue and I'm going to place that over our eyeshadow, and I'm just going to press it down, smooth it out. Holy shit, that doesn't look bad. Okay, cool. Let me do it some more. I'm just going to kind of like twist it a little bit And I'm pressing down, but I don't want to do it too hard. I don't want it to like come out of the pan. Let me see if I can find something a little bit bigger, because it looks like that's not exactly the size of that pan. Okay, this is a little bit bigger. Let me see if this will fit in there. Okay, let me get another tissue. Okay. Just gonna hold some pressure on here. You guys, that does not look bad compared to what I started with. Now, the test will be, you know, how this dries, obviously, and, like how workable it is. But this method is not supposed to change the way that like the texture of the shadow or anything like that, so. And I'm just pressing down. I got the smaller one out again because, I don't know, I just feel like it fits in there better. Yeah, so not bad. Not bad at all. I'm going to let this dry out, and then I am going to clean up the rest of this palette, and we will see what the final product is. But I am super excited. That looks like it worked super, super well. I am surprised. That was really easy also, and a lot of these are things you probably have laying around. Alright guys, this is everything after it's said and done, all cleaned off. It's not perfect, obviously, but it looks pretty dang good. Now, I did clean it with that alcohol, and I think it kind of started to take a little bit of the color off the palette, so I wouldn't recommend cleaning it with and like around here also, it looks, sorry, it looks dark up here around this color that was damaged. However, there's nothing on this palette. It is clean as can be. So I think that was just a result from using the alcohol with it. But I'm going to give this a swatch. It's been a few minutes, so hopefully it's dry enough. And yeah, guys, it's pigmented. Swatched awesome. So this technique definitely works. I hope that this is helpful to you in the future, but yeah guys, this is I definitely will be using this more. If I have anything like this happen again, it definitely will not be going in the trash. I will be using this method if it's a powder. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please like, subscribe if you're not already, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye guys.